cuddles. Oh, you darling little thing. Oh, you sweetheart. Oh, you chatterbox. Oh, we want to eat our dinner. Lunch. Whatever. Time for lunch. Come on, show me what you want about. You're looking for Grandpa now, aren't you? And when you've got one, you want the other.
She was comfortable.
You were comfortable with Grandpa. But Grandpa has got a funny thing on his arm. It's to help him so that he can always see you. You had your little say, haven't you? Had enough to say? You did? You had a big say. Oh dear. Oh dear, 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 dear. Oh dear. What was that? A little cough. Eh? You're a little sweetheart, aren't you? What have I got here, have I? Oh, rolled up your cardigan, haven't I? I liked your little outfit. What's this belly? Is that all your milk in there? Hmm? Is that all the milk you've got in there? Yeah? Is it? What do you want to eat that for? Really? What about it? What about it? What about it? What about it? Yes, it's Grandma. Yeah, I know. Got a funny face. I don't blame you looking like that. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Yes. Oh, the way she moves, her mouth makes lovely little shapes. You're a clever little thing, you. You dear little booby. What are you trying to tell me? I know it's something quite important, because you've said it more than once. Didn't I take any notice of you the first time? Baba? Ba?
What time is the racing?
Baba?